The esteemed Maha Emirates Awards 2023 event unfolded in the heart of Dubai, presenting a grand showcase of achievements in the real estate sector. The spectacular evening celebrated the remarkable talent, innovation, unwavering dedication within the industry. The event commenced with the compelling speeches by industry leaders, Mr. Hanif, Sheikh, Chairman and founder of Emirates Holding Group, and Ms. Yogita, Chairperson and MD of Maha Empire Properties. The event was graced by esteemed chief guests and guests of honor, including Ghayur Ahmad Khan, Yaqub Al Ali, Bu Abdullah, and His Excellency Dr. Muhammad Saeed Al Kindi, adding to the prestige of the evening. Esteemed awards recipients and members of EMRA have been awarded, included Mr. Sarfraz Sheikh, Dreams Reality, Mr. Webo Vankadu, Reno Corp, Mr. Prasad Jagtab Group of Companies, Mr. Uttam Yalmar, Mr. Pravin Patel, Mr. Sanjay Dakwe, Vastu Builders and Developers, Mr. Nalesh Patel, Krekon Group, Mr. Pupesh Nekkam, Bhumi Enterprises, Mr. Vishal Dev Ma Group, Mr. Akshay Panisar, Shri Builders and Developers, Mr. Satish Kadu, Mr. Hasmukh Panchal, and many more. All recognized for their exceptional contribution. The evening was enhanced with glamorous fashion shows by renowned designers. Pritham Naik, Old Story by Shilpa and Sanju, Nina Fashion, Style by Ali and Royal Vogue by Inamul Haq. Backstage was handled by Talent Hub, made by Mani Arora, and MC was Lena. Rabia Ashraf with a cameraman at the reporting team, Emarat News, Dubai.
First of all, this is Yaqub Ali from Dubai. It was the show was very nice, fashion show, and it was awards. I know this company came from India for properties company. They came from India to do the fashion show in Dubai, so which is very good for Dubai and for India, for the people who they know their project and these things. But I wish them all the best, and inshallah they will sell more and more in India.
We enjoy a lot. It was having the dignity and it was having the hospitality also with that one. We are very thankful for inviting us in this event, and we enjoy a lot. Thank you very much, Yogita. Thank you, Hanif bhai. Thank you to Maha Emirates.
बहुत मेहनत की मैंने। महा इमिरेट्स अवार्ड, इसका थीम ही था कनेक्टिंग द डॉट्स। मुझे कनेक्ट करना था क्योंकि दुबई इंडिया से लोकली कनेक्टेड है, इंटरनेशनल है बट लोकली कनेक्टेड है। सो मैं ये चीज़ को एक बार कनेक्ट करना चाहती थी जिससे बिजनेस जनरेट हो, लोगों के कनेक्शन बने, एक दूसरे से इंटरेक्शन हो, और वो चीज़ मैं देख रही हूँ अभी सक्सेसफुल हो रही है। 2-3 कंपनियों के साथ में अपना कोलैबोरेशन हुआ है न्यूली महा एमिरेट्स अवार्ड में। सो आई एम थैंकफुल, और यहाँ से मुझे इतना सपोर्ट मिला है, आई कांट एक्सप्लेन। इवन मैंने सोचा नहीं था कि मेरा फर्स्ट इवेंट दुबई में होगा और इस टाइप से होगा। थैंक्स अ लॉट।
Thank you so much, Emra. We are pleased to, honor this opportunity. हम आपके शुक्रगुजार हैं.
थैंक यू सो मच।
Today it was a day for awarding and facilitating all the people who have got the excellence in real estate industry. So it was an excellence and eminence awards, Maha Emirates in reality industry. Alhamdulillah, yeah. Maha Emirates, and it's an amalgamation of Maha Empire and Emirates Holding Group. So that's why it is called Maha Emirates, and very specific targeted to real estate industry. We are here, we have created this platform and bridging the gap between India and UAE. There are many projects we are taking from UAE to India, and there are many projects we are bringing from India to UAE.